Hi, good afternoon, everybody. My name is 𝐂𝐡𝐨𝐵 𝐍 and I'm from the Philippines. And I studied here in 𝐂𝐡𝐨 from level 3, level 4, level 5. And my course is civil engineering. And my experience here in 𝐂𝐡𝐨 is very good with a lot of great teachers and great group of people. I have friends here, and my expectation to the next classes in this bachelor's degree that I'll take is very exciting and very challenging. And the 𝐂𝐡𝐨 helped me a lot, and all credit for 𝐂𝐡𝐨 for making me do things that I didn't do before. Oh, our online practical exams are happened in COVID, like 2020, 2021. For me, it's a very challenging process because you can see the teachers because it's online classes and everything. But when we came here and continued the face-to-face classes, it was very good, and we learned a lot. For me, it's not taking exams is a new experience for me because back then in the Philippines, in my country, every year we're taking exams like quarterly and weekly. We have quizzes, exams, and mock tests. Here, we do only assignment, assessment. After graduation, I'm planning to continue my course, which is civil engineering. I would like to continue the job in civil engineering. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great, I'm feeling excited, and I feel awesome to graduate today in here in 𝐂𝐡𝐨. Yeah, to all the Filipinos who's watching this one, maraming salamat sa inyo at magkita-kita tayo at sana mag-aral din kayo dito sa 𝐂𝐡𝐨 kasi magandang experience to para sa ating lahat. Yun lang. Peace.